Hey everybody, guess what? As you guys see here, I got 2 inserts. Majority of you guys got 4 or even 3. I got 2, and I already tell the RetailMeNot is already a joke. But let's just dig in it and you guys can see what I get for inserts. And I will be making a video where I get my inserts from. I'm just testing out one place to see if they're legit, but I will be making that video soon. So here is the RetailMeNot. We got Turkey Hill ice cream, Eggland's, the Nature True stuff. Here we got Energizer, and then Dove Men Care shampoo hair stuff. Here we got the Degree deodorant. This is a great coupon. Buy one, get body wash, Axe, items like that. Dove, lots of Dove, lots of Dove. You guys need a window, you can save 40%. Yep, and look at that outfit. That is a nice outfit. It's only $24.99. It's cool wrinkles. Yes. Here we got the Pure Silk razors and shaving cream. More checks. Look at that. But you guys can get Clue. You can look at that. So that is it. And then we got Azteca thing. So my Red Plum or RetailMeNot is always lame. I don't know why. But here's the Smart Source. I'm hoping there's some good stuff in here. That's one thing, like, I can never plan my couponing trips because I don't know exactly what coupons I'll be getting. I know some, but here we got Sunbelt, Cold Stone. I tried their ice cream actually one day. It was really good. This is an awesome coupon, 55 cents off of Oreo. Here we got 75 cents off of 2 packages of Oreo. White Castle, Jergens, True Biotics, Flintstone gummies, Citrus, whatever. Yeah, that $2 or $3 off of bacon. Here we got Wheat Thins. Don't even really know what that is. $1 off St. Joseph. Awesome coupon. $1 off Irish Springs and $1 off the soap. Usually that's 50 cents for the soap. Australian Gold. Blue Emo, whatever that is. Dingo dog treats, Hydroxycut. We got 50 cents off of toothpaste, $2 off of toothpaste, and $2 off of twin packs of toothbrushes. Some nice pants. Those are really nice. I don't know who wears those, but those are so nice. I should get myself a pair and not wear them. Dollar General. This is all Dollar General. I'm going to throw this away. It's not, it's just an ad. Actually, this is, I'm just going to throw that away. Here we got Harbor Freight. Yay, 50 cents off of soft soap, 75 cents off of body wash. Now, if you guys watched my body wash video for Walgreens, there's an upcoming deal that makes these really cheap. Not this weekend, but the following weekend. Here we got $1 off Sally Hansen. 50 cents off of Pledge. Here we got 25 cents off of Palmolive, Valvoline, and then one a day. So that was what is in my inserts. I don't get the greatest inserts like everybody else, but I still want to share with you guys what I get so you guys kind of have an idea. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.